The materials for today's class is one plastic disposable bottle, that is 250 ml, and tape, rubber band, pair of scissors, straw, and 4 chopsticks, 1 pencil. Now I will show you the first step, how to do the first step. And also you can see in the PPT, right? The first step, you have to mark the 4 points on the bottle. And also our instructor here will show you how to do it. Okay. And as you can see, right, you have to mark the 4 points on the bottle. To just mark 4 dots straight to each other, okay, so that it can act as a base for a wheels. Okay, so make sure you have to, and it should be in a straight line. Okay, straight line, and also straight line, so that the wheels will not be crossed. Okay, it should be on a straight line. Make sure you are drawing it on a straight line, students. Okay, so your first step is done. Step 2 is you have to cut the straw into 2. Okay, you have to take a straw. Okay.
But I have paper straw.
Okay, Kaush, paper straw also will be fine. Okay, you have to cut the straw into 2. Okay, and also make sure that you have the water bottle, right? Make sure that the size is not too much big. Okay, you have to cut accordingly. Okay, Amit sir is also showing you, right? It should be nearly same, not larger. It should be averagely, it should be same.
Sir,
Okay.
this much gap is under this. So should I cut that also?
Can you just show me with the bottle, Kavish?
This is the bottle and.
Okay, just show me with the line. Yeah, that much is enough.
But actually the straw's length one is just this much longer, so that is okay.
Yeah, fine. Okay, you have to take a toothpick, 4 toothpick, and connect the toothpick on a straight line using the Cellotape. Now Amit sir will show you how to do it. Okay, take 2 toothpicks. Okay, and it should be on the center of the tape, and also the toothpick should be on a straight line. Okay, you are connecting 2 toothpicks into 1. You are making it as a 1. Okay, so just roll it. Okay, make sure that it is also tight. You can also use 2-3 rounds, and also see how Amit sir is doing it. So you can also do the same. Please make sure, the children, okay, when you're using scissors or any cutter, make sure that be careful. Okay, for 1 stick at least you have completed, children.
Sir, I'm almost done.
Okay, take some time. Okay, do it slowly. Make sure that the stick, the toothpick, 2 toothpick you have connected, right? It should be on a straight line. Okay, it should be on a straight line. As you can see right here, it should be on a straight line. It should not be like cross. Okay, it should be on a straight line, and also it should not bend. Okay.
Finally done. Finally, I put it.
Keep it on the table. Okay, take toothpick. Paste the toothpick on the tape. and make sure that the toothpick is on the same line, and start rolling from there.
Sir, when I was like when I had put the toothpick, and when I was rolling little bit from both of the sides, the tape was there. So little bit from one side here, it is little bit sticky. So is it okay?
That is fine. That is fine. Step 4. You have make the hole in the water bottle. Okay. First, make the hole in the water bottle. And now Amit sir will show you how to make it. First, use a scissor. Make a hole accordingly. Your straw will enter it inside. Okay. Make sure that you are opening the bottle cap so that it will be easy to punch a hole in the bottle. Okay. Be careful, children, when you are making a hole. Okay, if you are not confident enough to make a hole, you can just ask your elders to make a hole it for you. Okay, be careful, don't harm yourself. Okay, you can see Amit sir how he is doing it. Same way you can also do it. Make sure that you can also use any pointing object so that you can just make a hole also. Okay, you can use sharp pencil or anything. Okay, make sure that the hole is big enough to let the straw in. Okay. Okay, and make sure that the straw is going in and it is on a straight line. Okay, you can see, right, Amit sir is completed the one side of it. And children, don't spam the messages here. Yeah, if the hole is hard to make it, use some pointy object to make a hole. Everyone, children completed. Also make sure that while making the hole perfect to go let the straw inside. Yeah, Kavish, tell me. I was cutting it a little bit big cut came. Just a line came. Okay. Can you just show me, Kavish? Yes, sir. Just now show you. Yes, sir. I just. You can also see how Amisar is doing it for you. See, like this, I couldn't able to see it clearly. Okay, you just insert the straw inside. Let's see how it is. Yeah, you can just insert the straw. It should be on a straight line. Amit sir is showing you, right? It should be on a straight line. Use, okay. Okay, be careful while using it. Keep it on a table and use your cutter or anything. Okay, if you're using a light bottle or light disposable water cap, so you can use pencil or any sharp pointy object to do it. Completed, children? Okay, next is you have to insert the two toothpicks which you have made into one, right, inside the straw. Now Amit sir is showing you, right, you have to make it in that way. Okay, the attached toothpick you have to just okay. You don't know how to make a hole in the bottle, means just use some pointy sharp object like sharp pencil or scissor at a point of a scissor or screwdriver or anything you can just get and make sure that you are making the hole at the bottom of a bottle, at the base of the bottle when you just attach a wheel, right? So it should not the bottle should not touch the, after attaching the wheel, the bottle should not touch the ground. So in that manner you have to just paste the punch a hole in that. You have to take one bottle cap, make a hole at a center. Okay, you have to make a small hole so that a toothpick can go inside. Okay, you have to make a small hole so that the toothpick, only the toothpick can go inside. If it's a big, then like your wheel will be wobbling. So make sure that you are making the hole small so that only the toothpick can enter inside. Okay, you can use say, some safety pin to punch a hole and make it big so that the toothpick only the toothpick should go inside the bottle caps. Okay. Okay, so just four bottle caps will act as like a wheel. So make sure that if the hole is big, means your wheel will get wobbled. So what will happen to the car? It will get crushed. Okay, so make sure that the wheels are small. Sorry, the holes are small so that it can just fit it inside the toothpick. Step is you have to fix the bottle caps to the wheels. Okay, you have to just insert the bottle caps to the wheel. Okay, make sure that it is like a car. Okay, the wheels should be straight. Okay, you can also paste. Now Amit sir will show you on how to do it. To paste the cap inside out or outside in, at any that is your choice. Okay, make sure that at the end the bottle should be safe. Okay, the car should be safe so that it's not wobbling or it won't go and crash into, or it won't go to any other direction. It will go on a straight line. Okay, students completed. Now you can see, right, how Amit sir is doing it. Okay, you can just follow the same.
Done, sir.
Next step is at the back of the bottle, you have to stick the rubber band using the tape. You can see in the image, right, on the PPT image, right, you have to stick the rubber band to the back of the bottle. Okay, just see how, and also Amit sir will show you how to do it. You can also see how Amit sir is doing it. Okay, at the back of the wheel, you have to just attach a rubber band. Okay, you can also see, right, it should be strong. Okay, if you want, you can also use 3 or more times. You can just tape it on the same place. Okay, so that it will remain strong. Everyone completed till the 7th step? Students in the hot seat completed? Kavish, Manas, Anjana.
Sir, I'll tie 2 rubber bands because I don't have the bacon.
Yeah, you can. Okay, you can see, right, how Amit sir have tied the rubber band to the car. Okay, just take the rubber band. Okay, only one end of it you have to attach it to the base of the back side of the car. Okay, at the back side of the bottle you have to stick it. Okay, make sure that it is when you pull the rubber band, right, it's not coming out, the tape is not coming out, and the bottle and the rubber band is not separated. So that much strong, you have to just insert it. Pencil and stick it to the table. Okay, stick it to the table or to the ground. Okay, use the Cellotape, stick it to the ground. Okay, stick it to the ground, not on a table. Okay, stick it to the ground where it is a free space. Okay, this pencil will act an important part. So make sure that when you are sticking to the ground, when you're sticking the pencil to your ground, okay, make sure that surrounding to it, nothing is there. Okay, you have to just make sure that stick the pencil to the ground. Keep the pencil on the table, okay, and stick it to the ground. Make sure that it is firmly sticked. Okay, use 2 or more. You can use for 3 or more tapes. Okay, you have to just make sure that you're sticking it together. Okay, the pencil should not come out. Okay, make sure that you are sticking the pencil to the ground. Yeah, you can see how Amit sir is doing it, right? You have to just do the same. Okay, see, the pencil is not coming out, so you have to make sure that it is tight enough. Okay.
Sir, for the rubber band, when I am pulling the rubber band, it's coming out.
Okay, so you have to just tape it tightly with the bottle. Okay. Now Amit sir will show you how to launch the car. How to launch the car. How to launch the car. He will show you how to launch the car using
the pen.
You can see, right? Okay, it's going forward.